We take the system and we teach it step by step, and we give people an exact recipe so they don't have to deal with all of the distractions and disruptors that a lot of people struggle with in our industry, because they'll find that if they just work the system will absolutely work for them.
To bring energy out there into the world, nobody can help but feel what we are feeling, I think, when we wake up like this, and so I'm excited.
This is a question that is a game changer, because all of a sudden, guess what your solar is going to do? Actually never thought about that. I never thought about that. So let's just repeat this all together. Do you believe your home will sell for a fixed price, or do you believe it will sell in range values based on marketing and communication skills? How's that feel?
I think it's fantastic. They've obviously done their research. They not only have the right questions to ask, but they tell you exactly how to ask them, which words in which order. And as an English major and with a communication specialty, that's everything.
Don't worry about it. Just do what I tell you today, and then do what I tell you tomorrow. And it's sort of that kind of, yeah, you keep the big picture in mind, but you just keep going one step at a time, and then suddenly you look up and you go, I'm there, I'm ready.
True in sports,
true in real estate,
that's right,
true here.
Life.
So I took the challenge and I made a call yesterday to a client that I've done 4 transactions with, and they said, I can't believe you're calling, we were just thinking about you. And we might like to look at a luxury condo. We're going to be in town in December. Do you think we could get together? I was blown away.
The magic wand, taking people to La La Land, it just totally takes them out of reality, and they end up giving you the answer because they think that they're in La La Land. So it's a great installation.
A little bit too fast over here, a little bit too fun, a little bit too loud. Those that are pointing diagonally across, keep your hands up, everybody else down. Do this group right here. Guess what? It better be perfect.
The most outstanding piece of this is that I'm walking away valuing my clients even more.
But I've picked up skills that I've been able to use in my everyday life. I ninja'd my son the other night when he was having a teenage breakdown moment, and just using some of the skills of getting them to find gratitude and things that make them happy, and wave that magic wand and imagine their best self. And that's probably the best takeaway I've gotten, is the personal stuff, not just the business.
I have learned so much. I'm inspired and looking forward to implementing everything I've learned.
I have to say that this is the best sales training I've been through in my 25 years.